Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Today's tutorial is on two eye makeup techniques, the cut crease and halo eye makeup. These looks are suitable for all eye shapes, especially hooded eyes, and can be achieved using just two simple eyeshadows. We will start with the cut crease makeup. I've explained all the techniques in detail and I'm confident this tutorial will be helpful for you. So make sure to watch the entire video and let's get started. To start, use a black eyeshadow. I want to create a curved line in the crease area of my eyelid using this eyeshadow. For hooded eyes, we look straight ahead to clearly define the crease line and then apply the eyeshadow above that crease line to make the eyeshadow visible on the eyelid. However, for my eye shape, which is puffy, or for eyes where the eyelid is more prominent, we look straight ahead again to determine the crease line and then apply the eyeshadow exactly on the crease line. Alright, let's go ahead and execute the technique. Use a small flat eyeshadow brush, follow the natural crease line of your eyelid and apply the black eyeshadow precisely along this area. Be sure to keep the eyeshadow application a little bit away from the inner corner of your eye. Don't bring it all the way to the inner edge. I'm using a fluffy eyeshadow brush and using a sweeping motion to softly smoke out the black eyeshadow. Apply this smoked out technique before doing the cut crease technique. This helps the crease line appear more defined and prominent. Next, use your favorite concealer. We want to execute the cut crease technique. For hooded eyes, we look straight ahead to identify the crease line. Apply the concealer precisely above the crease line. The further the distance between the concealer and the natural crease, the larger your eyes will appear. However, to properly execute this technique, we will first apply a bit of concealer to the center of the eyelid. Look straight ahead, and wherever the concealer creates a line above the lid, that's where we will perform the cut crease technique. I'm actually applying the cut crease technique right below the smoky black eyeshadow. This line can help guide you in precisely where to place the concealer. For this technique, use whichever method you are most comfortable with to execute this eye makeup look. Additionally, on my channel, I've created a playlist of cut crease eyeshadow tutorials featuring a variety of attractive eyeshadow colors. You can check that out later for more inspiration and a step-by-step guidance on this makeup look. I'm using the lighter shade from this eyeshadow palette and I'm applying it precisely over the concealer area. This will help make the concealer appear brighter and more highlighted. I'm using a small brush to apply the black eyeshadow close to the lash line. As you know, blending out black eyeshadow can be a bit tricky, so I'm using the smaller brush in this area to apply the eyeshadow, and then I'll use the larger brush or a blending brush to blend out the eyeshadow with a sweeping motion. Since I want the outer corner of my eye to have a soft, diffused, smoky effect, I'm not going to add too much of the black eyeshadow. We will gently extend the eyeshadow up to where the black crease line is. Take your time with this step to ensure you get the soft, diffused, smoky eyeshadow without any harsh line. Slowly build up and blend the eyeshadow until you're satisfied with the result. I'm also using a small brush to apply the eyeshadow from the outer part of the lower lash line and blending it towards the middle. Next, I'm using a soft pink eyeshadow and with a larger brush, I'm applying a small amount of the eyeshadow along my entire lower lash line. This really makes my eye makeup look cute and more defined. It's time for my favorite step, the glitter. I'm using my finger to apply the glitter to the center of my eyelid. You will see how much brighter and more beautiful the eye makeup looks. I'm also applying some of the glitter along my lower lash line. You have to try this. I'm sure you will love it. I complete my eye makeup by applying eyeliner. If you struggle with getting the eyeliner application right, you can use tape or any other techniques that you find easier. Personally, I usually extend the eyeliner up to the middle of my eyelid as I find this flatters the shape of my eyes more, but you can continue the eyeliner all the way to the beginning of the eyelid depending on your own preference. I'm applying a white eyeliner right on top of the black one. This eye makeup look is very beautiful and unique. Next, use a pink eyeshadow. With a small brush, apply the eyeshadow on the white eyeliner. If you have a pink eyeliner, you can easily use that for this eye makeup look as well. I use false eyelashes and this eye makeup look is complete. I hope this eye makeup look is useful for you. It's super easy, you just need to follow the steps with me and you will shine at the parties. This halo eye makeup is truly gorgeous. You can wear it for all kinds of situations. It's great for a night out but also works beautifully for a more casual or daytime look. The application is really straightforward too. Anyone can master this pretty eye makeup. So keep watching the rest of the video and let's get started. I start by blending a dark brown eyeshadow and a deep purple shade together using a fluffy eyeshadow brush. I apply the eyeshadow blend towards the outer corner of my eyelid. For my eye shape, which is puffy, it is better to extend the eyeshadow up to the crease of my eyelid. For hooded eyes, it's better the eyeshadow even higher above the crease and blend it out seamlessly to avoid any harsh eyeshadow lines. This will help open up and lift the appearance of your eyes. Gradually build up the eyeshadow intensity, blending well after each layer to avoid patchiness. As I mentioned, I have blended the eyeshadow precisely up to the crease of my eyelid. I'm repeating the same eyeshadow blending technique that I used previously, but this time I'm focusing on the inner part of my eyelid. Just like before, I will be sure to take my time and blend the eyeshadow in this area. Once again, when applying eyeshadow in the crease of my eyelid, I'm being precise in this area to complement the natural shape of my eyes. As you know, to make the eyes appear larger, you can apply the eyeshadow slightly above the crease as well. Again, I'm making the outer and inner corners of my eyelid more intensely pigmented by using a combination of two darker eyeshadow shades. I'm starting this lower lash line application from the outer corner and then diffusing and blending the eyeshadow inward towards the middle of the lower lash line. Take your favorite concealer product using a small flat brush, apply the concealer precisely to the center of your eyelid in the area where you have not applied any eyeshadow. You can improve at this technique through practice and repetition. As I explained, extend the concealer application upwards, blending it up towards the crease area until the eyelid becomes more defined. I use my finger to gently blend out and diffuse any harsh lines between the concealer and the eyeshadow. This is the easiest way to fix any harsh edges. Use a light or white eyeshadow shade from your preferred palette and apply it on the concealer. This will help the concealer appear whiter. This step is optional. I use a glitter powder eyeshadow with a very fine glitter particles. I apply to the middle of my eyelid to make my eye makeup look a bit shiny, and this glittery step is optional. I complete my eye makeup by applying eyeliner. Based on your preference, you can do a thick or thin eyeliner or even extend it to the beginning of the eyelid. I use glitter powder eyeshadow for my lower lash line because I love this eye makeup technique. I use false eyelashes and our eye makeup is complete. Thank you for watching this video so far. If this tutorial was helpful for you, please like the video and write your comments down below. If you think this video could be useful for your friends, feel free to share it with them. Also, I post new tutorial videos every week, so if you're interested in makeup and beauty, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. I really appreciate your support. See you in the next video. Bye bye.